Hey everyone, and welcome back to Code. Have you ever looked at your car's tires and wondered what all those numbers and letters actually mean? They look like a secret code, but they're incredibly important for your vehicle's performance and your safety. Today, we're going to crack that code together, so you'll know exactly what you're looking at. It's information every car owner should have, and by the end of this video, you'll be a tire expert. So, grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive into the fascinating world of tire specifications. First things first, let's find our example code. Go outside and look at the sidewall of your tire. You'll see a sequence like this: 225, R17, 102 horas. We'll use this common size to break everything down. Remember, your numbers might be different, but the meaning behind each position is exactly the same. The first number you'll see, in our case, 225, represents the tire's width in millimeters. Imagine laying a ruler across the tread from one edge to the other. That's your measurement. A wider tire generally provides a larger contact patch with the road, which can improve grip and handling, especially in dry conditions. On the flip side, narrower tires can sometimes perform better in snow because they cut through it more effectively. So, this first number is all about the tire's footprint. Next up is the number after the slash: 65. This is called the aspect ratio. It sounds technical, but it's pretty simple. This number tells you the height of the tire's sidewall as a percentage of its width. So, for our 225 65ths tire, the sidewall height is 65% of 225 millimeters. A higher aspect ratio, like 65 or 70, means a taller sidewall. This usually results in a more comfortable, cushioned ride, because there's more rubber to absorb bumps. Think of SUVs and family sedans. A lower aspect ratio, say 45 or 40, means a shorter sidewall. You'll see these on sports cars. They provide a stiffer ride, which translates to sharper handling and more responsive steering, but you'll feel more of the road's imperfections. Following the aspect ratio, you'll almost always see the letter R. This one is straightforward. R stands for radial construction. This is the modern standard for car tires. In a radial tire, the internal cords run at a 90-degree angle to the direction of travel. This design allows the sidewall and the tread to function more independently, leading to better traction, longer tread life, and improved fuel economy compared to older bias-ply designs. Unless you're dealing with very specific vintage or heavy-duty vehicles, you'll see an R here. It's the technology that makes modern tires so reliable and efficient. Now let's look at the number after the R, which is 17 in our example. This one's easy. It's the diameter of the wheel, or rim, that the tire is designed to fit, and it's measured in inches. So, a tire marked with 17 needs a 17-inch wheel. This is a critical measurement. You can't put a 17-inch tire on an 18-inch rim, or vice versa. They simply won't fit. When you're thinking about upgrading your wheels to a larger size, you'll also need to buy new tires that match that new diameter. This number ensures a perfect, airtight seal between the tire and the wheel, which is absolutely essential for safety. The final two characters are all about safety limits: the load index and the speed rating. In our example, we have 102H. The number 102 is the load index. It's a code that tells you the maximum weight each tire can safely support when properly inflated. It's not the weight itself, but a code you look up on a chart. For instance, a load index of 102 corresponds to 1,874 pounds, or about 850 kilos. To find your car's total capacity, you'd multiply that by 4. Using a tire with a lower load index than what your vehicle manufacturer recommends is extremely dangerous. It can lead to tire failure, especially when your car is fully loaded with passengers and cargo. And finally, the last letter, H. This is the speed rating. Each letter corresponds to a maximum sustained speed the tire can safely handle. An H-rated tire is good for speeds up to 130 miles per hour, or 210 kilometers per hour. You might see other letters, like STV, W, or Y, each representing a different speed limit. While you should always obey speed laws, this rating is an indicator of the tire's overall performance capability. Higher speed-rated tires are built to better dissipate heat and handle the forces of high-speed driving. which also translates to better braking and cornering abilities, even at normal speeds. Always match or exceed your vehicle's original speed rating when buying new tires. So, there you have it. 225 for width, 65 for sidewall height percentage, R for radial, 17 for wheel diameter, 102 for load capacity, and H for speed rating. It's not a secret code anymore, is it? Understanding these numbers is crucial for making informed decisions, ensuring your safety, and getting the best performance out of your vehicle. The next time you shop for tires or just give yours a quick check, you'll know exactly what you're looking at and why it matters. Thanks for joining us today on Code Mechanic.